I have a family to protect, and I have a big family to protect.
Gavana uyu wa hau kabere wa kaunti ya Kakamega Wycliffe Oparanya ni agikorwo akiyumiria hamwe na muhiki magikoretwo magitrend hamwe bisha ciao ni irakorirwo igitrend over the weekend guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. Mary Biket live ni akorwo akiaria, and she has spoken about the nature ya relationship yake na ex governor uyu hau kabere. Ex governor uyu nake ni aragikorwo akiaria. Ex governor uyu wa kuria Kakamega ni muthuri wa atimia eri, and he has children with these two wives. We are aware of first wife uria wakire first lady wa Kakamega riria Wycliffe Oparanya kire governor, and also another lady who appeared on several occasions riria akire governor. And also now we have come to know of Mary Biket through these decent photos ziragikorwo ikirikwo guku online kana social media, na andu maragikorwo makiurania if at all ex governor ni akihikitie Mary Biket as a third wife kana she is just a side chick. Na niho this lady agikorwo agesport ni andiki a mohoro makire kiharo-ini kimwe kia ndege makigeria kumbuka magithie to thafari twao wearing some matching outfits, na niho Mary Biket agikorwo akiaria live na agikorwo agiclear some speculations about their relationship, na agikorwo akirega gucokia kiuria kana hihi she has been married as a third wife ni ex governor uyu. Akauga she is aware of their relationship na ndagukorwo explain makiria. Governor mwena wake ni aragire gukorwo akiaria na andiki acio a mohoro, na agikorwo akiuraria kamuti haria Mary Biket agikorwo agitigwo thutha, na agikorwo akiuga ati they are planning on taking a legal action against whoever arakorirwo akileak these photos. Governor ni aragikoretwo akiuga mundu uria uragikorwo ukileak these photos ni mundu urare malicious, kwona is someone who took these photos agishitam as very decent photos, na aragikorwo akiuga ati they are hurting a family that he is ready to protect. Mary Biket akiuga ati onake family yake like her parents they have been hurt through this incident gikoretwo gitrend guko social media. Akiuga also the wives wakota na we na bisha icio rira iragikorwo ikirekererio guko social media, and all because of that Mary Biket agikorwo akirandikia mohoro ati they are planning on taking